Hello there. Yeah, this is the daily review video. Holy shit. Um, I'm again changing my plan to. Yesterday, I've done the whole thing, like analyzing things and whatnot, and now from November, holy shit, not trading things. Not this, not this. Life plan. It should be updated. I think so. Updated. Yeah. Weekly yearly schedule 2026 year schedule, and this is what is going on, and monthly months and April month. And oh, this is need to get updated. The whole thing is going to get updated now, so we'll do the daily review of yesterday today. So today was 5 Jan to 19 Jan was in my plate, but I've already was having a lot good amount of data to work on it, to do the analysis on it. That do we need the daily candlestick closure on the area of interest or not? And I got it 50% of time it we need daily candlestick closure on the area of interest, and 50% of time we don't need the daily candlestick on the area of interest, which is fucking confusing to me. So I'm still kinda not clear about do we need the daily candlestick closure on the area of interest, because even if the daily candlestick closure on the area of interest, it has a profit and it has a loss. Same exact thing. Even if the week into the area of interest, this that still has the same losses and same profits. So we can use both, but using both, I don't know I'm doing correct thing or wrong. So that's the only reason I started doing the lectures again, 2024 boot camp again, which is what is going to make me understand the correct thing, step by step approach. I'm just done with using a tried and tested method. I'm literally is done with this. So now let's do the daily review. This is pretty much is going to get changed, because yeah, we're going to do the lecture 10th of boot camp. That's what we're going to do. It should get updated. What the fuck? Lecture 10th of 2024 boot camp. Tomorrow when I will be in office, I will be updating a whole thing. So let's do a daily review. Table. I have the daily review. Daily review. Yeah, here we go. The table thing. Perfect. So yesterday was in my table 7. 1 2 3. How in the world this is not sort not sorted out the perfect, like ascending and descending? Name is that name? No, date, task date, when it was scheduled. Ascending, yeah, yeah, that's what makes sense. So 7 8, yeah, hold on. Perfect. So ninth is the ninth, and it should be coming down, not up. Don't remove. ठीक है यार, चलो. So yesterday was having in my table was 26 to 9 February, and I was having these two remaining 23 to 27 February. So I have done it. So I will just type it right here. 26 to Jan. That's all I can do, man. I just wanted to say like, yeah, I have done it. So yesterday 24th was the thing. It shifted now. Perfect. It was scheduled on 24th, and I have done the tasks. Perfect. So yeah, that's what a daily review is. How I done the task, yes or no. If I done, then awesome. If not, then we'll be focusing on why it is haven't done. So today I'm just going to do this lecture 10, which is actually is ongoing right now, and which is going to get finished pretty soon. So yeah, this is what the daily review looks like. That's it. We are on a exact track where we need to be ongoing. So for the whole next week, we're going to do the 2024 boot camp, and after that, after we understand literally how we can execute the trades, Then I am going to do start doing the 2022 analysis videos from 3 to 8. Pretty much within a week we'll be able to finish that, and then we can do the 2020 100 to million dollar challenge from here to here lecture. Once we done that within a 1 week, then we can able to go all in with trading on 17 May 2026. Instead of just figuring out the things by on our own, I just wanted to learn from what is already is working rather than trying and testing, because what is already working is going to save my a lot more time rather than I do and try and test. So this is how the daily review looks like. We're on the track, we're on the exact track we need to be. Signing off. Have a wonderful day. Peace.